I'm Mike Novak in the 2019 Ram 1500, and this is the Uconnect 4C Nav, the most technologically advanced connectivity system available in any truck. We can display the nav on the full 12-inch display here. This display supports pinch to zoom, also multi-touch gestures to be able to switch between 2 and 3D modes. It also features live traffic information to make sure you get to your destination efficiently. This system also features a built-in cellular connection. For that, you can use the services of Uconnect with SiriusXM Guardian to make SOS calls, assist calls to ask for questions about your vehicle. Send and Go allows you to send destinations from your smartphone to the vehicle's built-in navigation system, all using the cellular connection that's built into the system. You can also download the Uconnect app to lock or unlock your door, remote start the vehicle on a cold day, all from your smartphone or from a smart watch such as an Apple Watch or an Android Wear device. With that built-in cellular connection, you can also turn your vehicle into a Wi-Fi hotspot. This vehicle also features SiriusXM with 360L. This is brand new, the first time ever offered on any vehicle, and it's exclusive to the 12-inch system in the Ram 1500. What this does is it blends satellite radio that you're familiar with cellular streaming, the same built-in cellular connection of the system. Using the data plan that comes for a year trial on this vehicle, you get additional channels, additional content, on-demand streaming of audio, plus it allows you to search for additional content easily, and you can create profiles so that if multiple people drive your vehicle, each person will get recommendations particular to their listening desires. To find that extra content, we have categories including music, sports, news, and talk. The sports in particular, it makes it real easy. You can switch between the home broadcast crew and the away broadcast crew, and the simple graphics allow you to easily find the team that you follow. This system is easy to use like all of our Uconnect systems. You can use it in a split screen mode, and you can personalize what content you show on the top card of the display or the bottom card of the display. And with all of our 4th generation Uconnect systems, this one supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can view that on the top screen while still maintaining other functions on the bottom screen. And you can drag and drop the apps you use the most to the lower menu bar. Plus, on the audio screen, you can also adjust the sources for the different music you like. And if you like SiriusXM 360L, you can move it to the top of your list so it's always front and center. We've also retained the buttons and controls and the precise feel of the knobs so that it's easy to use regardless of what you're doing. This is a Uconnect 4C Nav system with a 12-inch display. It's the largest display available in any pickup truck, and it's just one of the many reasons why this is the most technologically advanced truck you can buy.